here's the Stirling engine, high temp, runs off a denatured alcohol. This is the displacer cylinder. It's got a stainless steel cap with a brass body with cooling fins. And it also has a graphite bushing with a polished brass rod connected to a flywheel. The flywheel is about 2.5 inches in diameter and about a 1/2 inch thick. There's 2 of them connected by a shaft to the power piston. The power piston's made of a case hardened 1/2 inch shaft with a PTFE linear bearing for a sleeve. And then the main frame is aluminum anodized black. I'll give you a little idea of how it works. Now I'll light her up and show you how she runs. Go let her warm up for a minute. And she'll slowly build up speed and actually will shake the table a little bit. I have a tack with a piece of reflective tape on the flywheel, and it's running about 590 RPM, give or take. And there it is.